you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed.
Everyone, so today I have decided to wash my fridge. It's at night because I had already like defroze it, sorry. You can see there's some water there, and here we had put some meat and then the paper bag just stuck there, so that's why I want to wash it. You can see it has nothing, so after I finish washing it, that is when I'm going to put the items that they are supposed to, the foodstuffs that they are supposed to be here. So whatever I'm going to do, I'm just trying to remove these racks. I don't know, they are called racks or what. Yeah, so I removed them so that just as you can see, mostly here it's very, very dirty. Like you see, my kitchen space is very, very small. Yeah. So whatever I'm going to start with is this the food racks. I don't know if they're called food racks. Where talk up? My son is here helping me to do whatever I'm doing, and he knows nothing. Let me show you some things that I have put. These are the tomatoes. I have to store them in the fridge because you can see they are already ripe. This is some foodstuffs from my mom. I think they are called I can't remember, but this is minced meat made with some flour, baking flour. Those ones will remain like that. And there's this milk. I have to pack it in the fridge. Yasin, can you go?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, yeah. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. And we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Then you need to be so careful if you're not opening the burner. You would need to be so careful not to put water here. Yes, because you know what happens when you put water there. It brings out another flame that is so scary. Yeah, and from that flame, you just Yasin, move, go. You just stain your sufuриas. That's how it looks. You can see. We're focusing on here. The other one I will plan a time to open it because it's already at night. So I can't dare open it right now. So I usually decide to use this one. To clean up and to finish up the work, because this one doesn't leave any mark. Yes, it doesn't leave any mark, any stain, so that's why I like using it. that noise. My son is just mad with quiet. So this is the space I'm talking about. You can see, and you open the fridge, very small space, but then you can access the fridge. And the problem is this space, because you see the door where it is and the table where it have reached. So but inshallah, if you get another place that is good, we're gonna go there where there is a bit good space. Yes, so that's how I do my work, and that is how I wash my fridge. So kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be number one to get it. I didn't prefer to put these mangoes over there because they are not ripe. You can see they are ripe, but not that much. So if I put them there, they might just start, they stop getting ripe, and I want them for juice. Yeah, so kindly make sure subscribe, like, and also share. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.